Do a shove it, bro.
symptoms following you, moderate to severe Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Stelara can provide relief and remission. Taken as an infusion followed by injections. Stelara may increase your risk of infection, so serious infections. Before treatment, test for tuberculosis.
Boy, I tell you what, I'm glad you're using propane.
I'm ready for some hamburgers.
Yes, yes. Frank is hungry.
Oh yeah. I feel official now.
Do you know what you're doing?
Not a clue. Did you get what I was just doing with the clear?
Floor it.
Don't fall off now that you come in.
There are a lot of 350Zs here.
I need a tree fitting.
About tree fitting. So after we got back from the track, we were all talking, and I realized that I forgot to announce the 3 winners for the swag packs from 2,000 subs. And I think we're only a couple hundred away from 3,000 now, so better late than never. So what we did was we called in our chief executive officer, Jacob, to go ahead and select a couple folks that'll get a swag pack. Got a couple new things, new stickers, some lanyards, keychains, that kind of stuff. That'll be included as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and pass this over to Jacob, let him announce it, and I will see you guys on the other side.
And the winners are Cap Shots Media, Scott Armstrong, and Mikey Hunt.
So what do you think of this thing, man?
It's a little quick, you know. It's pretty nice.
So we did Weistec W3 turbos, a set of downpipes, and a set of Unobtainium. It's a really weird name for that.
Unobtainium turbo inlets.
Yeah. So what do they say this thing makes to the flywheel now?
Weistec with their turbos and their tune says 1130 crank.
So, I mean, it feels pretty quick. We haven't really got on it too hard yet. Kind of just put it through its paces, but I think we might try to stab this thing on the dyno before it leaves. We'll see, but right now we're just kind of on our way to wash it. But definitely a lot louder than before. So,
see if we get some flames later.
that would be pretty cool. somehow we always end up back in this engine room for the outro on our videos. I think it's just because it's quiet in here. I don't really have a lot of phones buzzing in the office, and Joe is in between dyno pulls, so it stays pretty quiet in here. It's hard to record because I don't want to disrupt the guys out in the shop, disturb the peace, and ask them to be quiet because they're the ones out there busting their ass making the money for us. But we've got 7 engines in here waiting for parts to go back together, all at different stages of the build process. But yeah, it's been a busy couple of weeks here. I know I haven't posted on this channel for a while. It's for good reason. Got a lot of things going on behind the scenes with the Godzilla, R&D process, I guess you could call it. We've got a really in-depth video coming to you guys next week before we leave for FL2K on Monday or Tuesday. That'll kind of break down what happened with the original motor, because we did figure it out. And what we've done now with the new engine to prevent what happened before from happening again. It's really an odd situation, but we got it figured out, got it dealt with. Just so everybody's aware, the testing video you're going to see next week, we are running the Haltech Elite 2500 in all of those videos. It's just right now, for the time being, a way better system for the drag racing applications that we're using it for. And we love OBR, Oli, Johan, all those guys have been awesome. But right now, while we work to develop more systems and controls for the drag racing side of things on the OBR, the Haltech is the way to go. Essentially, what having the car back on the Haltech does for us is it puts Joe back in the captain's chair 100% on the tuning and calibration side of things. He was still learning the OBR control system with Johan when he was here assisting with the last engine. Before we had that failure, which we'll get into in next week's video. Like I said, I'm going to sit down with Joe and kind of go over some stuff and give you guys some more information, because I know you guys are itching for that stuff. I know the Godzilla content does really well, and we love sharing it with you guys. But I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I appreciate everybody sticking around, watching Frank and the boys do some work at Sebring. That was a fun event to be at, and I think we did some rips in the McLaren, which was pretty cool. Not our specialty, but right up our alley. We got it done for the customer. He's a very good client of ours, and he's always appreciative of our work. So leave a like, let us know what you think, what you want to see in the next video. Well, the video after the Godzilla video, because that's coming next no matter what. But yeah, we'll see you guys out at FL2K, Bradenton Motorsports Park, starting Thursday next week. We'd love to see you guys. Later.